back to How to Cake It. I'm Yolanda, and today I'm gonna do one of those very popular grocery store cake makeovers. I think you guys are gonna learn a lot from this because I realize you don't all have 2 or 3 days to make a cake like I do. So I'm gonna show you how you can grab a bunch of great things at your local grocery store and turn it into the most beautiful cake and display table. But I need help. I have to call in the pros. So my friend Caspar's here. Caspar! I called you a pro, so you have to act professional. Are you ready to work?
Sure am.
Okay, all right. So my thoughts were a combination of flavors. Whenever people ordered wedding cakes from me, they would always want different flavors to please all their guests. And you do events, don't you find the same thing?
There's always like a layer of, everyone has different tastes and they want to please everyone.
And there's always that one person who doesn't like chocolate. I don't know her.
Who?
I don't know her,
No,
but
don't
she
know her.
exists. And I know that she's gonna pop up in the comments.
100%.
I know
See,
you're
I
here.
have to-
And what's that? Oh, cupcakes. I'm gonna get a plate. Can you open that box? So we just got 6 cupcakes to go alongside the cake, and they go with all the flavors of the cake. 2 vanilla, 2 chocolate, 2 strawberry.
Even having 6 just adds a little something like extra decor on
Yeah.
the table as well.
Exactly, because this
Love
is
the
all
space.
about the presentation.
100%.
Not just the presentation of the cake, but the presentation of the table. And now I'm gonna show you how to measure and cut boards. This is clearly the biggest cake or tart. I think that it's like 11. I knew it. I was like, this is an odd circle. I also want to make sure that we put it on a nice base board.
Yeah.
That doesn't have to be a cake board. That could be a cutting board, a platter, as long as it's flat and not, it doesn't dip in the middle.
Is that for extra strength? Like
For
support?
extra, yes, because if there's any gaps, the weight of all the other cakes will just start to push down. And this is, 7.5. The next is the strawberry, which is 6. Chocolate is 5 inches. So these are the boards that I have to cut. You need to find a circular object, plate, bowl, cake pan, whatever you have, that is the same measurements as the measurements of your cake, because you want to cut the board under the cake just right, or even a tiny bit smaller. We don't want to see it from the side.
Is this foam core?
This is foam board, yeah?
And you can just get this like
I got this at
crafts,
the dollar store.
Great, okay.
Yes. Now I'm gonna move my cakes to their assigned board. And since I said all you needed were grocery store products to do this, I am using store-bought icing as glue. Because the last thing you want is for your cakes to slip off the board. Slide it onto your board carefully, and as you're getting ready for your party, these are the steps you could take ahead of time and assemble it at the last minute. So now I want to move this Boston cream cake onto a board. You want to carefully pick it up and center it on the board. Okay, so now all 3 of the cakes have been moved onto their own board. Okay, Cass, so
Decorating time.
decorating time.
Just like you, I like to prep my flowers. I find that it's easier to work with when you have everything organized and clean and ready to go. So what we're doing is taking off the guard petals. So usually they're the outer ones that protect
The inner
the
petals?
inner petals.
Okay, am I doing a good job with
You're
my...
doing a great job. Maybe just take these ones off here.
Oh.
Yeah, because don't worry too much about the bottom, because most of these we're going to cut kind of like reflexing, but very gently open it up with your hand. Grab a couple, and then when you do put them together, it gives you the look of a peony. Another thing that's super popular at the moment, and everyone's like ranunculus, which are stunning, but really expensive.
Ranunculus.
Ranunculi, where are you, baby?
Remember you used to say...
If I had kids, I would name them after
flowers.
flowers. But like really sort of like, not your typical like rose or lily. It'd be more like Cymbidium, Phalaenopsis, Gypsophilia, come get your dinner.
Wow.
So what you do, what a lot of people are doing at the moment, is you take the middle and take some of the petals out.
What?
Yeah.
So it looks like it has an opening?
Yeah.
Wow!
So that gives you the look of kind of like a Holland ranunculus or even a scabiosa.
How many of you are about to Google scabiosa? Because I am.
She's my bad daughter. In your room, Scabby.
Now I need to dowel. This is pretty interesting because I'm doweling cakes that I didn't make, and they're a lot softer than my cakes usually are. Keep in mind the size of the next tier. And what you want to do is you want to aim for the dowels to be about 1.5 to 2 inches in from the edge of the next cake. And I'll just use like a circle cutter, or you can use anything around your house, a bowl. This is a good size. And so I'll have 1.5 inches on either end, and the dowels will hold up the next board. Next up, we have the Boston cream. Look at this cake. This is terrifying. I'm gonna wanna put a center dowel down the entire cake for security. I want this point to be able to go down through all the cake boards. This is where we dowel.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Why? You're always nervous.
I know, and I've never doweled a tart. I might add more dowels because I'm scared. I've never doweled a tart. Why do I always do dangerous things on the channel on camera? I'm gonna use some bubble tea straws.
Is that because of the consistency of the tart is not like kind of thick like cake, so there's kind of gaps in between the berries and the filling and that?
They're moving,
Yeah.
so dowels have to stay straight up and down, but because it's just a tart, they're wiggling in the tart.
So I could never be a dowel.
No, absolutely not. Or a ruler. Now I've got to add the dowels that I cut for this cake. Oh! That was so scary. What happened? Is it okay? She's fine?
She's fine.
She's fine.
She's cool.
We're very dramatic. We're being dramatic. Okay, 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 okay. We're gonna have to camouflage the boards.
Yes, we are. So here's another thing. If you're not getting organic floral that is food grade quality safe, you really want to be careful with store-bought florals. Most of them are sprayed heavily with pesticides and things like that. You just need a little bit around where you're gonna shove it into the cake.
Shove it? There will be no shoving in my cake. Where you're gonna delicately place the flour.
Delicately.
I'm gonna start to fill the bottom with berries. Because this is a tart, it doesn't need all the toothpicks.
No.
Don't you think that looks too sticky outy? Put us too sticky outy.
Why don't you stick it in it?
I love how you just did like a smile like, I'm on camera. Okay, but now, hold on, we need to discuss. I need to do a walk around because I can't see. I've done the walk around. Okay, so now that we have covered the board successfully, I'm gonna tell you what I think. Okay. When I used to do cakes with flowers, like wedding cakes, I would think the most florals on top, and then I'd think of 2 other clusters to balance.
Just really gently, we got one there.
Do you need more foil?
And yeah.
Okay, see, I knew you would need more foil.
Because there's a little hole there, I am gonna use one of the tighter ones.
You are about flowers the way I am about cake.
I just don't like
I'll be done and then I keep zhuzhing. Thank you.
Items that you find at your everyday grocery with things to decorate it with at home.
Yes.
Right? This
Yep.
is about using what you have.
Yes.
My trick, try and keep it as uniformed as possible. If you're gonna use round, use all round. Try to balance things out.
Yes.
You're gonna have one flower there. Do you get what I mean? It
Yep.
just makes everything look a bit neater, even when everything is like kind of cheap or you're just starting to pluck on. Do you
Yeah,
get what it is? It
no.
elevates everything.
I didn't make these cakes, so I like it. I get to judge too. You know what I mean?
You judge? Never. Margaritas, here we come.
Hold on. I need to grab a pav.
Oh, okay. Get your pass.
Okay, I'll see you next week.
Happy summer.